Yon World with you here. It's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over what countries pay the most in Spotify royalties. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, when you run a music promotion on Spotify using the Spotify method that I've been talking about on my channel, I'll have cards linked with videos if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about. But when you're using the Spotify method, right, and you read the description on certain Spotify offers, you will see that it says premium plays come from tier 1 countries only, right? And I want to go over this because y'all need to fully understand this business, this music game, to understand how the money and how the royalties work, right? Spotify is available in multiple different countries, and certain countries make more money than other countries. So the premium rates are kind of like the same. So you would, if you run streams through any one of these countries, you would get the same payout rate. And I'm about to further break down this because you will see this a lot. And when you running these streams, sometimes you get streams from other countries. Majority, it'll be United States, but sometimes you get streams from other countries, but they are tier 1 countries that pay out the same royalty as United States Spotify premium would. So if y'all need further help with this, just understand everything that's going on. I do offer training for $250, but let me just go dive in deeper just so y'all can understand. Now, each country pays a different amount for Spotify premium. This is an article I found, on Hypebot, and it's a great article about how Spotify premium works and how it affects, the artists, what they get paid. Now, you will see Spotify is available in 92 countries, and every country pays different for Spotify premium, and where your stream comes from affects how you are paid, right? That's why the Spotify rate is iffy. Like it kind of fluctuates depending on where the streams came from that month. You know what I'm saying? And as Spotify grows too, more of the profit share is split, to the artists, the labels, and the music publishers. So every month it kind of grows, and it depends on where your streams come from. So if you do the promotion right and you target all tier 1 countries, right, you could increase your revenue on Spotify. So we go down and we'll see the top 10 countries where they're the cheapest, right? With India being the first. They pay $158 per month. Places like Vietnam, the Philippines, Turkey, Brazil, they pay less than $3 per month. Egypt, South Africa, Indonesia, Malaysia, they pay less than $4 per month. So if you generating streams and they coming from India, or Indonesia or Brazil, you won't get as much back in royalties as if they came from tier 1 countries like Denmark, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, Austria, Belgium, Finland, France, Germany. These countries, right, they make more money, right? They make more money. So they up there like with the United States, and they, get the same rates. They get the same royalty rates. They pay out the same royalty rates as the United States. Now, I'm gonna be documenting this entire process for people, but just understand, right, when you are placing your order for Spotify premium plays, right, and you see premium plays from tier 1 countries only, right, you can look all of these symbols up if you don't understand what they mean. But that's United States, that's Canada, that's Europe or the European Union or the Europe Union, whatever you want to call it. That's Australia, New Zealand, and United Kingdom, right? And these are all tier 1 countries that pay more. Denmark is in Europe. It's in the European nation, right? And they pay $14.39 per month for Spotify over there. So Denmark streams actually pay more. You probably get more per thousand than the United States, because the United States is only $10. Now you see Germany on here is also 1085, right? And if we go to my audience, right, you will see my top countries for the last 28 days have been the United States, right? United States is the most listeners, then Germany, then the United Kingdom, then Brazil, Chile, Canada, France, Italy, South Africa. So it's a mix, right? It's a mix. My top cities: Buffalo, Frankfurt, Chicago, Dallas, New York, Atlanta, Los Angeles. So trust me, these services work, they pay out. And if you don't believe it, you can just watch me throughout the process. I'm gonna show y'all when I get paid, everything. But yeah, man, it's your boy Yon World. That's my video today. Just understanding what countries pay the most in Spotify Premium, right? And this affects the royalty rates. And y'all gotta understand all of this. You gotta understand all of this when you wanna make money in this game. So, it's your boy Yon World. I hope y'all learned something from this video. If you haven't learned anything from this video, you can leave a comment, reach out to me. I will offer consulting. A couple people been trying to kind of finesse the consultant and ask me a lot of questions up front, and I'm not gonna be answering them in a deep way. You know what I'm saying? Because there's so many people. Like, I'm not about to answer 10 different DMs with people asking me questions when we could talk over the phone and I could really give you my time and I could really give you my effort. I gotta be fair because there's people really paying me. It's been multiple people pay me $250 to understand this information. So for the people who hit me up like with questions that I'm already talking about in the videos, just watch the videos over and over, pause, whatever you gotta do, and really listen and watch every video that I made about this. I'm teaching y'all the game, for free. So, hey, it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on post notifications. This was, what countries pay the most in Spotify royalties, right? And you will see the highest being Denmark. Denmark actually pays the most in Spotify royalties, right? And then it's Switzerland, United Kingdom. I don't even know how to pronounce that, so I'm not gonna even try. The L, like I don't even know how to pronounce that. Austria, Belgium, Finland, France, Germany, Iceland, all tier 1 premium. So you gotta understand and pick the right offers. Pick the right offers. So I'm gonna make a video about how to pick the right offers, how to read the descriptions. Stick around. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.